Okay, 26th problem. If f of 1 is equal to 1, f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 into f of n plus 1 for n greater than or equal to 1, then f of n is equal to. Okay. Given f of 1 is equal to 1, f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 into f of n plus 1 for n greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so put n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 తీసుకుందాం. f of 1 plus 1 means f of 2. 2 into f of 1 plus 1. And we know that f of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 1 2 plus 1 3. Okay. Put n is equal to 2. f of 2 plus 1 3. 2 into f of n means 2. 2 into f of 2 plus 1. 2 into f of 2 means we get 3. 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7. Put n is equal to 3. f of 3 plus 1. f of 4. That is equal to 2 into f of n means 3 plus 1. 2 into f of 3 means we get 7 plus 1. 2 7 are 14 plus 1 15. Okay, and so on. See this, f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 7, f of 4 is equal to 15. These numbers can be written as 2 power 1 minus 1. 1 means 2 power 1 minus 1. Here 3 means 2 square minus 1. 7 means 2 cube minus 1. 15 means 2 power 4 minus 1. So f of 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు 2 power 1 minus 1. f of 2 ఉన్నప్పుడు 2 power 2 minus 1. f of 3 ఉన్నప్పుడు f of 2 power 3 minus 1. f of 4 ki 2 power 4 minus 1. In this way, f of n means 2 power n minus 1. Okay. ఇదే విధంగా చూసుకుంటే f of n అనేది 2 power n minus 1 వస్తుంది. Therefore, option 3 is the right answer. Okay, 27th problem. If fx is equal to log 1 plus x by 1 minus x, then f of x1 plus x2 by 1 plus x1 x2 is equal to. We have to find that value. So let us see that f of x1 plus x2 by 1 plus x1 x2. This can be written as log 1 plus x means write this value x1 plus x2 by 1 plus x1 x2 by 1 minus x means x1 plus x2 by 1 plus x1 x2. f of x1 plus x2 by 1 plus x1 x2 అంటే ఈ వాల్యూని fx లో x దగ్గర మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. log take LCM 1 plus x1 x2 into 1. 1 plus x1 x2 plus x1 x2 by, here also take LCM 1 plus x1 x2 into 1. That means 1 plus x1 x2. Here minus into x1 minus x1 minus into plus minus x2. Okay, LCM తీసుకున్న తర్వాత డినామినేటర్స్ రెండు కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి. And this can be written as, take, write 1 plus x1 in one bracket and take x2 as common from these two numbers. ఈ రెండు నెంబర్స్ నుండి x2 ని మనం కామన్ తీసుకుందాం. x2 కామన్ తీస్తే x1 plus 1 we get. Denominator also same. Write 1 minus x1 in one bracket. Take minus x2 as common from these two numbers. we get 1 minus x1. మళ్ళీ అనండి 1 plus x1 కామన్ తీసుకుంటాం, డినామినేటర్ లో 1 minus x1 కామన్ తీయాలి. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ log 1 plus x1 కామన్ తీసినట్లయితే 1 plus x1 కామన్ తీసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ x2 ఉంటుంది. సో ఇట్ బికమ్ 1 plus x2. In denominator, take 1 minus x1 as common. We get 1 minus x2 in another bracket. Okay. 1 minus x1 common తీసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ minus x2 ఉంటుంది. And this can be written as, let us suppose this is m. 1 plus x1 by 1 minus x1 is m. 1 plus x2 by 1 minus x2 is n. Therefore, log mn. This is in the form of log m n. Log mn means log m plus log n. Therefore, log 1 plus x1 by 1 minus x1. See this f of x is equal to log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. x1 అంటే x1 ఉంది. సో ఇప్పుడు x1 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ this is f of x1. ఇక్కడ x2 ఉంది కాబట్టి f of x2. Therefore, f of x1 plus x2 by 1 plus x1 x2, we get it as f of x1 plus f of x2. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. Right? Okay, 28th one, f of a is equal to log 1 minus a by 1 plus a. We find this value f of 2a by 1 plus a square. Okay, f of 2a by 1 plus a square means log 1 minus a. A means substitute this value 2a by 1 plus a square by 1 plus a means once again 2a by 1 plus a square. f of 2a by 1 plus a square అంటే ఈ వాల్యూని f of a లో a దగ్గర సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. And this can be written as, take LCM 1 plus a square into 1 plus a square minus 2a. Denominator also take LCM 1 plus a square into 1 plus 2a. Therefore, this can be written as 1 minus a by 1 plus a whole square. So LCM తీసుకున్న తర్వాత 1 plus a square 1 plus a square cancel అయిపోతాయి. So numerator లో it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. This can be written as 1 minus a whole square and denominator 1 plus a whole square. Okay. So logarithms లో powers ని మనం ముందు రాసుకుంటాం. Therefore, it is 2 log 1 minus a by 1 plus a. We know that log 1 minus a by 1 plus a means f of a. Therefore, it becomes 2 into f of a. Therefore, f of 2a by 1 plus a square is equal to 2 into f of a. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. Okay, 29th question. If f of a is equal to log 2 plus a by 2 minus a for a lies between 0 and 2, we find the value 1 by 2 into f of 8a by 4 plus a square. So let us take this. F of 8a by 4 plus a square means log, substitute this value in place of a, in f of a, log 2 plus a means 8a by 4 plus a square by 2 minus a means 8a by 4 plus a square. Now take LCM. 4 plus a square is the LCM. 2 into 4 plus a square, 2 4 is 8. 2 into a square, 2a square plus 88 by 2 4 is 8. 2 into a square, 2a square minus 88 by 4 plus a square by 4 plus a square are cancelled. This can be written as, take 2s common from NR and DR, we can write it as 2 into a square, 2a square, 2 4 is 88, 2 4 is 8, and denominator take 2s common, it become a square minus 4a plus 4. Cancel these two numbers. Now this can be written as log, say this, a square plus 4a plus 4 means it is nothing but 2 plus a whole square by a square minus 4a plus 4 means it is nothing but 2 minus a whole square. So finally this can be written as 2 log 2 plus a by 2 minus a. ఈ రెండింటిని ఒకటే హోల్ స్క్వేర్ లో రాసుకోవచ్చు. తర్వాత పవర్ అనేది ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తుంది లాగరిథమ్స్ లో. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? దిస్ ఈస్ f of 8a by 4 plus a square. Okay. Transpose 2 to left side. It become 1 by 2 f of 8a by 4 plus a square is equal to log 2 plus a by 2 minus a. That means log 2 plus a by 2 minus a means which is equal to f of a. Therefore the answer is f of a. That means option 1 is the right answer. Right? Okay, 38th problem. If e power fx is equal to 10 plus x by 10 minus x and x belongs to minus 10 comma 10 open interval, f of x is equal to k into f of 200x by 100 plus x square, then find the value of k. Okay. So first of all, write given e power fx is equal to 10 plus x by 10 minus x. This can be written as fx. దీన్ని ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ పవర్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేసినట్లయితే లాగరిథంలోకి మారిపోతుంది. ఇట్ బికమ్ log 10 plus x by 10 minus x. The formula is if a power x is equal to n implies and implied by log n base a is equal to x. సో పవర్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటే లాగరిథంలోకి, లాగరిథమిక్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటే పవర్ ఫామ్ లోకి మనం మార్చుకోవచ్చు. సో fx is equal to like this. Now take f of 200x by 100 plus x square. This can be written as log 10 plus x means write this value 200x by 100 plus x square by 10 minus x means 200x by 100 plus x square. Take LCM. 10 into 100 1000, 10 into x square 10x square plus 200x by 10 into 100 1000 10 into x square 10x square minus 200x. Okay, take 10 as common in both numerator and denominator, or cancel with 10 nr and dr. nr and dr ni 10 తోటి cancel చేసుకున్నాం. 10 100s 10 1s 10 20s. denominator also same, 10 100s 10 1s 10 20s. denominator 10 100s 10 1s 10 20s. and this can be written as log 10 plus x by 10 minus x whole square. 10 plus x whole square, a plus b whole square formula, a square 100 b square x square 2a by 2 into 10 into x 20x. Similarly denominator also 10 minus x whole square. And in logarithm take powers before the logarithm. Logarithms lo powers ni mundu raskuntam. 2 log 10 plus x by 10 minus x. Okay, and transposing 2 to left side, so it becomes 1 by 2 f of 200 x by 100 plus x square is equal to log 10 plus x by 10 minus x. And log 10 plus x by 10 minus x means it is nothing but fx. Therefore, finally, fx is equal to 1 by 2 into f of 200x by 100 plus x square. So, compare this equation with this, we get k is equal to 1 by 2. That means 0.5. Okay, 0.5 వస్తుంది. Therefore, option 1 is the right answer. Right up.